It's John with MoparRestorationParts.com again. So we were talking about wiring harnesses and what we would do to get these looking back in restoration form. Anyway, they don't make these harnesses, as I discussed earlier. These are the power window harnesses. As you can see, I used the aircraft paint remover, and as you can see, it all turned out pretty nice actually. This took about 30 minutes or so to get these cleaned up, but now you can see the whole harness, the wires. I went ahead and used the bleach white cleaner on these, so I wasn't too much worried about these particular wires, cleaning them, because they'd be retaped again. So as you can see, the red paint is off, which here's the actually a taillight harness too. I did that one. The only place that was really bad was the wires that were coming through the to the license tag and the reverse lights. It turned out okay. There's a little bit of red paint still on there, you can see, but I'll just retape that. So you don't want to go too crazy, but you know, depending on the level of restoration you want, it's up to you on how you do. But I'm going to take these. This back one here is already dry. This one here is drying out, letting that rough surface tape, the old stuff, dry. So I'll leave it hanging here in the basement for a little bit, and let's get this one up there and taped up. All right, this is John, MoparRestorationParts.com. Stay tuned.